How to save a video from CapCut to your gallery. What is up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy way to export your video from CapCut to your phone's gallery. Now let's get right into the video. The first thing that you want to do is simply open up your CapCut and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you do that, you are just going to go ahead and head over to your project that you want to export. For example, I have this video right here. So once you are done editing with the video, you can add overlays, different kind of text, caption, even audios. And once you're done editing with the video, then all you have to do is tap on the export button on the top right corner. You can also select the quality of the video before you export it. So you can make it a high definition video. You also have an option to change the frame rate. So you can make it 30 frames per second. And also change the code rate. So I recommend you set it to the ones that is set on your default option. And after doing that, you can just simply tap on the export option on the top right corner. And once you tap on the export button, the video will now start exporting to your gallery. So you can go ahead and check your phone's gallery and the video will be there. So as you guys can see here, I have the video that happened from my CapCut. Pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.